fight is never over until it's over. Maybe you're not surrounded by hyenas. Maybe you're just buried by bills. Maybe you need to stand up for something you believe in that no one around you agrees with. Do not give up. Do not give in. Be fearless in going after what you really want in your life.
When the Imam comes, then Jaziratul Arab will be liberated. And that's goodbye to the Jazz Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. You will re-enter the garbage bin from which you emerged in the first place. When the Jaziratul Arab is liberated, you no longer have any Saudi kingdom of Saudi Arabia. That's garbage. It is Jaziratul Arab. It is Hijaz and Najd. When that happens, then the Khilafah state is restored. And when the Khilafah state is restored in Mecca, that is the first significant, game-changing challenge.
You can't rely on other people to achieve the results you want in your life. You are the only one responsible for your results. Take responsibility. Take ownership. Take action. Only you know what's best for you in your life. Only you know which path to take in each moment of your life. You must make those decisions with certainty.